Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, research tier 5, $200K, and the material list. Start crafting or buying missing alloys and composites now. Prioritize missions that drop avionics. Once you have 50% of materials, queue construction to avoid idle time. Make sure to upgrade your factory speed and use any 2x production boosts. This reduces weight by half. You should monitor marketplace prices while materials finish to prevent overspending and keep production continuing. Now move into building. Allocate either a full 24-hour slot or split into shorter slots to fit event bonuses. You need elite technicians assigned to raise the success chance. You should check their stamina before starting. Once construction begins, immediately schedule stealth avionics and reinforced chassis installs so they complete sequentially. After each stage finishes, inspect stats and swap any suboptimal mods. If you see production penalties, pause and reassign staff to resolve downtime quickly. Finish by running mandatory flight tests and pilot training. You must pass these to deploy the F117. Equip radar suppression and ECM modules before the first sortie to capitalize on stealth advantages. Once deployed, test against patrols to confirm handling and tweak loadout. If the blueprint or customization fails, use the partial refund option or reroll, which costs roughly 10% of materials. This resets failure chains. If production stalls, recheck technician assignments and active boosts to clear the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.